girls that don't ever eat. This wrap took about 15 seconds each side to do. All I've done is got a little bit of kale, so that's all you need, a little bit of kale. Now get some kale, get some lettuce, get what you like. We're just gonna grab some of that and just dash it on here, okay? That's what we're doing. Pieces of halloumi that I have put on the pan. And guys, if you can, fry things in butter. I know people say, oh my god, but the fat's this, that. Shut up. Yeah, sometimes you need some fats, okay? This is my combo. My childhood best friend used to use this combo and I used to think, ew. Now, I actually love it. It's actually nice. It's really, really nice. Oh, okay, never mind. It shitted on it, okay? Right, let's see. Always need more mayo than you need actually tomato ketchup. Right, you fold it up and that is good to go. So that took like 5-10 minutes to make. It didn't take that long. So if you're rushing for work, still eat. If you're rushing for something, still eat. If you come home and you're tired and hot and bothered from work,